Hello, Willard Wildcats. I want to share this book with you. It's called Matter. It's a first science book, and this is an explanation of matter, what matter is. Matter by Kay Manolis. What is matter? It is a beautiful day at the park. What does everything here have in common? Everything you see is matter. People, rocks, and toys are matter. Water is matter. Everything you see, touch, taste, or smell is matter. Even some things you cannot see, touch, taste, or smell are matter. The air is matter. Matter is everything that has mass and takes up space as a gas, liquid, or solid. Matter comes in different forms. Some kinds of matter are solids, such as animals and rocks. Some kinds of matter are liquids, such as water or juice. Other kinds of matter are gases, such as air or steam. Solids, liquids, and gases are the three most common forms of matter. Here's a fun fact. When you hear about gas as a form of matter, it is different than the gas put into a car to make it run. That kind of gas is a shortened word for gasoline. Gasoline is a liquid fuel that powers machines and vehicles. Solids. Solid matter is anything with a shape of its own. Some solid matter is small enough to hold in your hand. Other solid matter is large enough to hold you. Solid matter usually keeps its shape. Sometimes you can do something to change the shape of a solid. For example, clay is a solid that can be turned into a new shape. Liquids. Liquid matter is something you can pour, such as water or milk. Liquid matter does not have its own shape. A liquid takes the shape of the container holding it. Liquid that spills flows in all directions. Gases. Gas is a form of matter you can't usually see. The air you breathe is made up of gases. Gases take up space, just like solids and liquids. Think about how air fills the space inside a tire. A tire with no air inside is flat. Most open spaces in the world are actually filled with gas. Like liquids, gases do not have their own shape. They fill up other shapes. Look at how air fills up these balloons. Unlike liquids, you cannot pour gases. Gases spread out in every direction. Look at this gas rising out of the earth. Fun fact, solid rock can melt if it gets hot enough. Hot, melted rock can flow out of a volcano like a river of fire. It is called lava. Matter can change its form. Matter can change from one form to another. Ice has a shape of its own. That makes it a solid. But what happens when you heat ice? It turns into water. Turning a solid into a liquid is called melting. If you freeze the water, it would turn back into ice. Fun fact. Water is the only natural thing on Earth found in gas, liquid, and solid forms. When you heat water, it starts to boil. Boiling water turns it into steam, a gas. Steam can make this tea kettle whistle. Water can change form easily. Other kinds of matter, like these rocks, are much more difficult to change to another form. Some kinds of matter are colorful. Others have no color at all. Some matter smells sweet. Other kinds of matter smell bad. Some kinds of matter weigh a lot. Other kinds of matter hardly weigh anything at all. There are many different kinds of matter. You could never finish describing all the ways matter can look, smell, or feel. Matter is everything, everywhere. Thank you, my friends, for joining me today to think about what matter is. I'll see you next time.